you can watch this till the end, you will learn one of the smoothest editing styles. Most people miss the final part. Don't be one of them. Ivy already added the clips, song, and Twixtor for you, so don't worry. You can download everything from my Telegram. Just focus on learning. Now let's add the song. Go to the beats section and use auto generate. But notice, some small beats are not detected, so you'll need to add them manually. If you find it difficult, just download my video and follow step by step. First, add your PNG and remove the background. Now add a keyframe, make the PNG smaller, and rotate it to +12. Then add another keyframe, increase the size, and rotate it to 12. After that, just repeat the same motion to keep the animation smooth. Now add the Twixtor, and this Twixtor is also available on Telegram. First, check how many beats are there. Then split your clips based on the beats. Now for the Twixtor clips, apply the graph exactly like mine to get smooth and clean motion. Increase the speed as much for match with beats. For last beat, add a white overlay. Now freeze the first clip. Move it to the overlay layer. Then remove the background. After that, take it out of the frame, add a keyframe, and apply an ease out graph. Do the same process for the second and all the other clips. Now this is the boring part, so watch carefully. Move the clip into the overlay, then extend the main clip until it reaches the last beat of the overlay clip. Next, go to the mask tool and apply the mask like mine. Now duplicate the mask clip. Change its position. And keep repeating this for every beat till the end. For white overlay, add keyframes, then decrease the opacity to 0, then add easy out graph. Now comes the hardest part. And honestly, I don't like it either. But we don't have any other options, so let's do it. First, select 1 frame per second, cut it. Then go to the next clip, add keyframes just like I am doing. Select the first keyframe, go to adjust, and increase brightness, brilliance, white, black, and shadows to make the masking completely white. Now apply an ease out graph. After that, select the 1 frame cut, go to adjust, apply the same graph, and increase the brightness. Repeat the same process for the second clip and all the remaining clips. Now go to Effects and search for Oblique Blur. Apply it to your background removed overlay. After that, copy the same effect and apply it to all the other clips to keep everything consistent. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.